On this video, I've gone for more of an aggressive rhythm tone, and I'm on the lead channel, and the EQ is set as follows. So I've got the presence around 11 o'clock, the bass around 2 o'clock, the middle is also at 2 o'clock, and the treble is at 10 o'clock. So the lead master and output master are both set to 12 o'clock, and obviously now I'm on this channel, the lead master is obviously active. And the gain on the end there is set at 2 o'clock. I've also got some reverb in the effects loop.